It's going really well. I mean, because I'm in the military, I'm naturally very active, and it took, I'd say, about a month and a half after everything, after the whole procedure, to get back into the gym. And I think it took about 2 months for me to be able to go out for a light jog, and so like slowly and surely, I'm heavier and run for longer, run faster and stuff. So the recovery is coming along very well. So I find that doing certain exercises are still difficult for me to do right now, whereas other ones I'm almost back up to where I used to be. And I thought it was funny going to the gym. Sometimes you don't realize that you're using certain muscles until you try to do them, and after there's been a procedure or something. So it was very interesting to go to a workout machine and try to pull down or push and be like, yep, nope, not doing that one.
Yeah.
I had a really good experience. My doctor was pretty much right there with me the whole time. So I went in as soon as I was sent right to the doctor. I had a little consultation. We picked out what size I wanted. And then after that, it was just like systematic. The nurses knew exactly what to do. And so, you go in, you get your blood, and they check your blood, and then they do the EKG test, and then you sit down for a couple of minutes, and then they take you up to the room and prep the room for surgery. And the whole time, like once I was pushed up to the room and just waiting for the room to be prepped for the surgery, my doctor was sitting in there the whole time. He was on his little iPad just reading and stuff. So it was comforting to me to see that he was there. But looking back, it was very professional. It was, you could tell that they were experienced in what they were doing, and my doctor did a wonderful job. So he clearly has been doing it for several years. But other than that, like the financial piece was not like really in question, because we'd gotten the estimates prior to going out there, and we went out walking just in the local area for a couple days, looking to see what kind of gifts we wanted to get for people, and trying some of the local food and vendors and stuff. And then we signed up for a couple of tours through the hotel. And so we saw the Big Buddha and some of the factories that they have for like their cashews and things like that. So it was neat to see the shows and try some new foods and stuff out on the tours. In my military uniform, you can't see a big difference because it's kind of big and baggy anyhow. But in civilian clothes, people will walk up to me and be like, I couldn't tell before, but I can tell now, and it looks good. And so you can definitely tell a difference. I didn't go huge with everything. It still looks really natural. It's just much fuller. I didn't even expect it to be this good, actually. It's wonderful. I couldn't have been happy with the results at the end. Now I just need to go bra shopping.